So, Avantika, conversion of degrees to minute, minute to second. Now, this conversion
Hmm.
is as simple as converting the kilometers into meters and meters into centimeters, or maybe conversion
Okay.
of uh, conversion of hour into second, or
Hmm.
conversion of hour into minute and minute
Okay.
into second. So the conversion is the same. The logic is
Hmm.
the same. The only thing
Hmm.
that you need to remember, and you'll fall into that trap again and again,
Hmm.
is that the hour, second, minute, these are the
Hmm.
unit of time, and
Hmm.
here this degree, minute, second, they are the measure of angles. So
Okay.
basically, this minute has nothing to do with this minute. This
Okay.
second has nothing to do with this second.
Hmm.
Now this concept is simple, but you'll fall into the trap again and again and again. Have you understood what I've said?
Hmm. Hmm. Yeah.
So the concept is, see, the concept is very simple. It is like, okay, let me take a very simple example. It is like, say, uh, this word dog. When we say
Hmm.
dog, it is
Hmm.
like, it, it is like an animal dog. Yeah.
Yeah.
But then you would have seen these Hollywood movies where they say, "Hey, dog." Have you understood what I've said?
Yeah. Yeah.
So now the word is the same, but the usage is different.
Hmm. Yeah. Okay.
Similarly, what you need to remember is do not fall into the trap that when they are talking about degrees, they are talking about minute, they are talking about second. These are the measures of angles.
Hmm.
And when they are talking about hour, minute, and second, these are the units of time.
Okay.
But then how do you make out whether this we are talking about this minute, this second or this second? Have you understood?
Hmm.
It all depends upon the context. So when the in the Hollywood movie one of the characters says, "Hey dog," so you should understand that is he calling his friend a dog? Is he calling his pet a dog?
Hmm.
Have you understood?
Yeah. Yeah.
So just take care of that. Because this
Hmm.
is when we start doing this becomes a bit tricky, so just keep this in mind. Otherwise the
Hmm.
concept is absolutely same like you had done in class 6th or 5th, where you were converting the kilometer into meter and meter into
Hmm.
centimeter. And the conversion factor is also very simple. So for example, if I take 1 degree, so on your
Hmm.
protector you can take 1 degree. Now this 1 degree,
Hmm.
this 1 degree can be further
Hmm.
subdivided into 60 parts. So basically these are 60 parts. 60 parts. And
Okay.
each of the part, each of the part is 1 minute. Have you understood?
Yeah.
So if you take a degree, basically, if you take a degree, you zoom it.
Hmm. Hmm.
So this whole is 1 degree. And this one
Hmm.
degree has 60 parts. And each of those parts is called a minute.
Minute.
Any
Okay.
doubt?
No.
Okay. And now what you do is you take 1 minute. You take 1 minute and you zoom
Hmm.
it. When
Hmm.
you zoom it, again you will have 60 parts. These are 60
Hmm.
parts.
Hmm.
So this part is 1 second. Have you understood what I've said?
Yeah.
I'll
Hmm.
repeat. I'll repeat.
Hmm.
Basically, it is like saying I take 1 kilometer. I divide it into 1,000 parts. Each part would be 1 meter. Do we agree till here?
Yeah.
Then I take 1 meter. I have zoomed it. I take
Hmm.
1 meter and then I divide it into 100 parts. 100 parts. This small part is 1 centimeter. Have you understood?
Yeah.
I can again take 1 centimeter. I can again take 1 centimeter. And I can make 10 parts out of it. And
Hmm.
each part would be 1 millimeter.
Yeah.
Any doubt till here, Avanti?
No. No.
Yeah, yeah. So the
Yeah.
same logic, same logic, same logic. If this is my 1 degree, this is my 1 degree. I can zoom it. I can divide this 1 degree into 60 parts, which I
Hmm.
will call 60 minutes.
16 minutes.
I can take 1 minute
Hmm.
and again zoom it, and I will get 60 seconds. Any doubt in
Yeah.
there?
No.
And these minutes and these seconds have nothing to do with the units of time. Nothing to do. I could have called this 60 cats, or I could have called it 50 wolves. It doesn't matter.
Hmm.
Any doubt here? There?
No.
Okay. Now, if you ask me the logic, I will just spend 2 minutes on it. I won't spend much time on it.
Okay.
But the simple logic is like this. It is a very simple logic. I won't spend much time on it,
Hmm.
but you'll get a fair amount of idea what I am talking about.
Okay.
Let me assume that this is 1,000 kilometer. Have you understood?
Okay.
This is O, this is P, this is Q, and this is 1,000 kilometers, and
Hmm.
this is 1 degree. Have you understood what I said?
Yeah.
Okay. And you are a, let me say that you are a scientist sitting at Bangalore,
Hmm.
working in ISRO. Have you understood?
Hmm.
And you are launching a satellite. You are launching a
Hmm.
satellite.
Hmm.
To make the effect more visible, let me make this 1 lakh kilometer. Have you understood?
Okay.
Or to make it more comfortable, let us say this to be 10,000 kilometer. Okay, this seems to be reasonable. 10,000
Hmm.
kilometer.
Okay.
Have you understood the logic?
Yeah.
So you are a scientist who is sitting at Bangalore
Hmm.
and who is launching a satellite.
Hmm.
The satellite would be launched uh, distance to moon. Yeah, distance to moon is approximately 4 lakh kilometer. Let us say this is 4 lakh kilometer.
Hmm.
So this is from Earth to moon. Let us say this is moon. So you want your satellite to reach moon. Have you understood?
Hmm.
And somebody tells you, अरे 1 डिग्री से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. 1 डिग्री तो बहुत छोटा होता है. Have you understood?
Hmm. Hmm. Yeah.
So now see what this 1 degree will do. So 180 degree is pi radians. So therefore 1 degree would be pi by 180 radians. Any doubt till here?
No.
We know theta is equal to L by R. This is
Hmm.
my theta. This is my L. This is my R. So
Hmm.
pi 1 upon 80 is equal to L by R. R would be 4 lakh kilometer. Are you there with me?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Now see what will happen. Now when I calculate L, this is pi 180 into 4 lakh kilometer,
Hmm.
and length would be equal to, let me put this 3.14 into 4 lakh kilometer whole upon 180.
Hmm.
Are you with me till here?
Yeah.
So now you will see the power of power of 1 degree. What a
Hmm.
what a menace 1 degree can be. Okay, so we have 4 lakh into 3.14 divided by 180 is equal to 977, approximately 978 kilometer. Have you understood?
Hmm.
So every degree would contribute to an error of 978 kilometer if we are
Hmm.
talking in terms of 4 lakh kilometer. Have you understood?
Yeah.
So the moral of the story is, and I'll tell you, uh, you are sitting in Salem.
Yeah.
So Mumbai Salem distance, just to give you a perspective. Mumbai Salem distance is approximately 1000 kilometers. Have you understood?
Hmm.
Mumbai Salem is approximately 1000 kilometers. So basically, in other words, if you are sitting in Moon,
Hmm.
Bombay and Salem would be 1 degree apart. Have you understood what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Now, the problem or the reason why we need to be worried about 1 degree and we need to further subdivide 1 degree is because at such large distances, even 1 degree matters a lot.
Hmm.
So you'll have to write this in terms of 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. This is a symbol of minutes. Is equal to 3600 seconds. Have you understood
Hmm.
what I've said till now?
Yeah.
So that is why you'll have to be very accurate when you are launching satellites or you are launching planes or you are launching missiles or whatever. Have you understood the logic?
Hmm.
And that is why to you know add to the degree of accuracy, the degree is divided into minutes and minutes are further divided into seconds. Any doubt till here?
Hmm. No.
Any doubt till here?
No.
Okay. I'll give you two examples and then I'll let you
Hmm.
struggle with one of the example. Once you have struggled enough, then we'll discuss. Have you understood?
Hmm.
Yeah. So,
Yeah.
so first is convert 74.87 degrees. Now, what you need to understand is this is like saying 2.3 kilometer. Have you understood?
Hmm.
So, zero point 0.3 is part of the kilometer. Similarly, 0.87 is part of the degree. Have you understood?
Okay.
So when I say 2.3 kilometer, what it means is 2 kilometer plus 0.3 kilometer. One thing I need to tell you.
No.
When I say 74.87 degrees, what it implies is 74 degrees plus 0.87 degrees. Have you understood till here?
Yeah.
So this is complete degrees. No problem with this. But this is fractional degree. Have you understood what I've said?
Yeah.
I know that 1 degree is 60 minutes. This is a symbol of single stick, single inclined stick is an example of minute. Any doubt till here?
No.
So the fractional part of the degree can be written in terms of minutes. Any doubt?
No.
One second. Okay. So I'll take this part, Avantika. I'll
Hmm.
take this part and I will reduce this into minutes. Any doubt? Any doubt?
No.
So this is what the author has done. He has taken this part, this fractional part of the degree, and he has converted this into minutes. Any doubt till here?
No.
Okay. Then he calculated. Then he calculated the value. The exact value, if you want, the exact value is 0.87 into 60 is equal to 52.2 minutes. Have you understood till here?
Yeah.
Again, if you see this 52.2 minutes can be written as 52 minutes plus 0.2 minute. Any doubt till here?
No.
Any doubt till here? Now,
No.
this is a complete part of a minute, and this is a fractional part of the minute. Have you understood the logic of one minute?
Yeah.
So, till now, what I have is I have full 74 degrees, I
Hmm.
have full 52 minutes,
Hmm.
and there is a part of a minute, 0.2 minute, which
Hmm.
I can further divide into 0.2 into 60 is equal
Second.
to 12 seconds. One thing I need now.
No.
So this would be 12 seconds. Any doubt till here?
No.
If you have understood, this is same like saying 2 kilometer plus 3 upon 10 into 1,300 meter. Any doubt till here?
No.
Are we okay till here?
Yeah.
So, this is how these questions are done. Let us look at another example. So, don't worry much about the negative sign right now because we are more concerned about the degree to minute to second conversion. So, if you have understood the logic, 30.6947 degrees can be written as 30 degree plus 0.6947 degree. I will
Yeah.
just focus on this part now.
Hmm.
0.6947 degree can be written as 0.6947 into 60 minutes. Any doubt in it?
Hmm. No.
Can be written as, let me calculate, 0.6947 into 6,
41.682.
shabash, shabash, 41.682 minutes. Again, the same logic, Avantika.
Hmm.
41, let me write it like this. So I have 30 degrees full.
Hmm. Yeah.
Now I have 40 minutes full. And now I
Hmm.
will just focus on my fractional part of the minute, which is 0.682 minutes. If I multiply this part with 60,
Hmm.
what I will get is 0.682 into 60 is equal to
40.92.
40.2 seconds. Any doubt till here?
No.
So this would be 40.92 seconds. Any doubt?
Hmm. No.
Because they have told us to convert into degrees, minutes, and seconds. So
Hmm.
30 degrees, 41 minutes, 40.92 seconds. Any doubt?
Hmm. No.
Now, if you have fully understood the logic, I can write this approximately as 30 minutes, 41 seconds, 41 minutes, 41 seconds. Any doubt?
Yeah. No.
And the same, of course, there would be a negative sign. I can put a negative
Yeah.
sign. So, see, right now we are focusing more on the conversion part. That is why I'm not, worried much about the second part. So I'm not
Hmm.
focusing much on that. But this is how this is how the calculation is. Can you see?
Yeah.
31 degree, 41 minute, 41 second. Any doubt?
Approximately. No.
Now, I don't remember in which topic in physics they might use this. I will try to figure out. But they're a very small topic, and
Hmm.
we'll just do one or two questions. If you want, you can try to
Okay.
do this question. Just do this question.
Okay. Okay. I was thinking.
245.33 degrees. Just try to do
Oh,
this.
yeah.
Actually, what you can do is you can try to do both the questions.
Which two? Okay.
अरे यार पूरा ही कर लो क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 पूरा.
Okay.
ठीक है, take your time.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, and we'll discuss, don't worry.
Okay.
So 183.7 degrees. 183
Hmm.
degrees plus 0.7 degrees. I need to focus on 0.7 degrees.
Hmm.
0.7 into 60
Hmm.
is 42 minutes.
Yeah.
So I have 183 degrees and 42 minutes. Avantika, am I
Hmm.
correct?
Yeah.
Great. See, this is a small topic, doesn't take much. And in one of the topics, if they ask you a question like this, say theta is equal to L by R, in that question, they give you that the theta in terms of say minutes or degrees. I don't want you to get confused.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
That is why I thought that we'll cover this today.
Hmm.
So I need to focus on this only.
Yeah.
This would be 0.33 into 60, which will be 6 3 the 18, 6 9,
19.8.
shabash, 19.8 minutes,
Hmm.
which can be written as 19 minutes plus a fractional 0.8 minutes. And now
Yeah.
I will just focus on this fractional part of the minute.
Hmm.
This will be 0.8 into 60 seconds
Yes.
equal to 48 seconds.
Yeah.
So this whole can be written as 245 degrees, 19.
19 minutes, 48 seconds.
Shabash. Very nice. Any doubt?
No.
Simple topic.
Yeah.
1 pi by 5. So this is a symbol of radian. I'm sorry. This is a symbol of radian. So I have
Hmm.
1 by 5 radian.
Hmm.
Any doubt till here?
No.
Now we know that pi radians is 180 degree. Again, 1 radian, simple unitary method, 180 upon pi degrees.
Hmm.
Uh, 1 by 5 radian is equal to 1/5 of this. So I'm taking a shortcut. I'll say 36 upon pi degrees. Any confusion till here? Any correction
No.
required? So basically, my task is to convert this into minutes and seconds. And
Okay.
again, to make my life bit easier, I will write this as 36 upon 22 upon 7. This whole is in degrees. So I'll make small division, and in terms of decimal, 18 upon 7.
18 upon 11.
Yeah, so this will be 18 into 7 divided by 11. So this would be 1.4545 degrees. Am I correct in here?
Hmm.
So basically now our job is to convert this 1.4545 degrees.
Hmm.
Let me take this as 1.45 degrees only to make my life easier. So this would be
Mm-hmm.
1 degree plus 0.45 degrees.
Hmm.
I'll focus on this. This would be 0.45 into 60 minutes. This would be
27.
0.45 into 60 is equal to 27
27.
minutes. So
Hmm.
this would be equal to 1.4, I'm sorry, 1.1 degree
Degree 27 minutes.
27 minutes. Any doubt till this?
No.
Now, if I further want to make my life miserable, so what I can do is I can write this as what, 454 degrees. So, or let me make it more miserable. Okay. 1.4545 degrees.
Okay.
So this would be 1 degree plus 45 degrees. This would be 0.4545
Hmm.
into 60 minutes.
Hmm.
This would be
27.27.
this would be
27, sorry.
4545 into 60. This would be 272700 minutes. Have you understood?
Mm-hmm.
Whole upon, I'm sorry, whole upon 1, 2, 3, 4. This would be 1 to 27.27 minutes.
Hmm.
Monica, are we okay till here?
Yeah.
Okay. So now I have 1 full degrees, I have 27 full minutes. And let
Hmm.
me focus on this 0.27
Hmm.
minutes multiplied by 60. 0.27.
16.2.
Oh, this is 16.2 seconds.
Hmm.
So approximately 60 seconds.
Hmm.
Any doubt, Miss Avantika?
No.
So this is how these questions are done.
Hmm. Okay.
So this is the conversion of degrees into minutes into seconds. So whenever you
Mm-hmm.
face any such question, you'll be able to do. Any doubt?
No.